A media wall design is a fantastic way to create a focal point in a living room or entertainment space. It typically features a large, sleek wall-mounted TV, surrounded by stylish cabinets, shelves, or alcoves to house media devices, sound systems, and decorative items. Media walls can be customized to fit any style, from modern and minimalist to traditional and ornate. They often incorporate LED lighting, ambient glow, or other design elements to create a visually stunning display. Some popular features of media walls include hidden cabling, sound systems, storage solutions, and decorative elements. Whether you're looking to create a cozy home theater or a sophisticated entertainment area, a well-designed media wall can elevate the entire space and provide a seamless viewing experience. With endless possibilities for customization, media walls offer a unique opportunity to showcase your personal style and create a truly immersive entertainment experience. By incorporating a media wall into your home, you can enjoy a more engaging and enjoyable entertainment experience, perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or social gatherings. To take it to the next level, consider adding features like gaming stations, designated areas for gaming consoles, accessories, and seating. Ambient lighting, color-changing lights or mood lighting to enhance the viewing experience. Textured finishes, wood, stone, or metallic finishes to add depth and visual interest. Interactive elements, touch-sensitive screens, gesture-controlled devices, or voice-activated assistants. Themed designs, custom designs inspired by favorite movies, TV shows, or video games. By incorporating these features, you can create a media wall that's not only functional but also visually stunning and engaging. With a media wall, the possibilities are endless, and you can tailor it to fit your unique style and entertainment needs.